In all training programs, we requested the trainees to prick each other once and pipette out 20 microliters of blood so that they get to know how the person who is pricked feels. The trainees help each other out, but you can very clearly see nobody's finger requires wiping for 5 minutes. This is a hesitation on the part of the trainee who is trying to prick. However, he has pricked quite well. And what mistake is he committing? Wiping off the blood with a wet cotton. That should not be done. The blood drop, however, wells up very well, and he is able to suck in 20 microliters on the first occasion quite easily. He then wipes off the pipette, ensures that excess blood is removed through capillary action in the cotton wool, and then streaks the blood onto the filter paper. It is not very elegantly done, but the technique is correct and it will allow the blood to dry very fast. He is now attempting drawing out a second 20 microliter from the same prick. In this attempt, however, he is having problems in sucking out blood as a single drop, and huge amount of air bubbles have started coming. He has no alternative but to blow out the blood and try taking in again 20 microliters. In this, he is not as successful as he was in the earlier account, but still he has managed to take out duplicate blood samples from the same finger prick in another tray. He is now wiping the outer part of the pipette and removing the excess blood, and finally he will be depositing the blood onto the filter paper, while the trainee who was pricked has put cotton wool, dry cotton wool on his finger and has stopped the blood flow. You can see he is still trying to ensure that excess blood is removed. If he takes any longer time, the blood will clot and there will be a problem. We are now showing you yet another trainee trying to prick another trainee and collect 20 microliters of blood. The trainee to begin with has difficulty in holding the finger in the right way and is now pricking. First prick, no blood is coming. Again, he is trying to prick a second time, which should never ever be done. Third time, and still very little blood is coming out from the finger prick. This kind of hesitation pricks causes more pain and will not ensure that adequate blood comes out through the finger prick and could be used for hemoglobin estimation. In spite of the fact that he received 4 pricks, this person's hemoglobin will not be estimated from the blood that is collected in the pipette because the other trainee was unable to collect 20 microliters of blood from the finger prick. As you can see, in an attempt to get sufficient blood, he is only drawing air bubbles in.